guys, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be talking all about beginner eyeliner. Now first I want to show you some types of eyeliners that you can use to create an eyeliner look. So I'm just going to, I have a bunch of eyeliners right in front of me and I'm going to just share some of my, I used to be not so great at doing eyeliner, but I learned some tricks along the way when doing my eyeliner. So yeah, I'm gonna start. So this first one is actually an eyeliner adhesive from Vogue, which is this one here. It's my favorite for like an eyeliner lash glue, and it's a very thin applicator, which I love. And I do like to kind of keep it in the little case, like upright like this, stored in my makeup shelf. Okay, another great one that I actually just got for 4th of July and then that I just started really liking. This is the NYX Epic Smoke Liner in Slated Smoke, which is this color here. So on one side it has that applicator or the eyeliner, and then the other side it has a brush to kind of blend the eyeliner. Oops. Which I think is great to have. Okay, what's this one? Oh, okay, next we have an eyeliner duo. Okay, so it's from Jafra. This is the liner pencil duo. This one has a little bit of shimmer in it, which is this one here. There are two shades, a nude and then black and then a nude. The black has a little bit of shimmer and I don't like to use it on the waterline, so I only use it on the lash line. But I do use, and then you can't really see it, but that's the nude there. I do use the nude on the waterline, and I'm getting another eyeliner from Jafra, but it's a felt tip that I do really like this one. Next we have a Graftobian cream foundation. This one is in black, so it just looks like that in a pot. I really like this one. It's this shade here. It's amazing. And then next is another NYX eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner. This one is in white. This is another one that I got for 4th of July. It's this one here. And I definitely wanted to use something for 4th of July that was waterproof, just in case if I would go swimming, and this one is perfect for that. I love it. Oh, I must have missed one. So this one is technically not an eyeliner. It's a black lipstick that I hardly ever use as a lipstick, so I use it as an eyeliner, and it's awesome. I love it. Okay, then we have the Isle Mackage ink liner in black. This is a felt tip one. This one is one of my favorites. I love it, but it's almost out, so that's why I got another one from Jafra, because I really like black felt tip eyeliners, and actually brown ones too. This is the ColourPop. It's this one here. This is the ColourPop BFF liquid liner in Grande, and it's also felt tip, like I said. It's amazing. So we're actually going to be using these two eyeliners today, I think. So quickly off camera, I'm going to do one eyeliner and then I will do the other eye on camera to show you guys. Okay, this is the first simple kind of winged out eyeliner type of look. Now I did want to mention another product. So I'm going to use kind of like an eyeshadow that matches the color. So I'm just going to use a black shadow in this Natasha Denona palette. I'm going to take kind of like a brush like this and go over it just to set the eyeliner. Now let's do this eye. So I'm going to take the Graftobian cream foundation. This one is in black. And I'm first going to do a thin line on the upper lash line. I went a little bit too thick on the other eye. That was my bad. But we can make it a little bit thicker, like maybe that might be good. Okay, and you want to stop kind of like where your natural lashes stop, like so. So I'm going to start right there and then like that. So now I'm going to start flicking out to create a wing. So I'm going to use what's left on the brush. And start flicking it out. If you mess up, you can take a makeup wipe like this and just kind of clean the edges, or take some like micellar water in a cotton ball, in a cotton swab, and just clean it up like that. And then again, I'm gonna use what's left from the eyeshadow on this brush to set eyeliner. Okay, that was the first kind of eyeliner look. Now I'm going to do a more beginner friendly look. This one was for a little bit more advanced eyeliner. So I'll come right back with one eye done. Okay, so this is pretty much the only eyeliner look that I do when I do my everyday makeup. So I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner. This one is the ColourPop BFF liquid liner in Grande. So I'm going to take it, and I kind of like to obviously like shake it up a little bit. I'm going to bring the mirror kind of closer to me, hopefully that you guys can see. And I'm going to create a very thin line with this. Again, starting where my lashes start. And that is it. And then again, I'm gonna go in with a brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna take Smoke from the Natasha Denona Glam palette with the same brush, or with the same brush that we've been using, to set everything. Well, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you in the next one. Bye!